Now this is about what? Second type. Now next one. Now these two are over. Now you need to draw one more construction on triangles only. They might ask you, I don't know about this, but I feel it is better to revise it. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeters and divide it into divide it into 5:8 ratio, 5:8. Measure the two parts. Now what is the meaning of this? This is again your 8th standard portion, and I can tell you 7th standard portion, so nothing great in this. First line segment, same like the previous one. Line segment you can say XY. Then again from X, it may take any acute angle, measure any convenient acute angle. Now here it is 8 parts, so divide it into 8 parts. Equal, if the parts should be equal. Take this inches, the scale, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rub it. So this is XY. Oh sorry, XY is here. So you can take this as A. Or Z. Now this is X. So this is X1, X2, X3, X4, X5, X6, X7 and X8. Then what you do, you just join this. Now this is 5, out of 8, 5 parts. 5 is here. Keep the scale here, move it like this until you reach X5, there you draw one line. Then this you call it as B. That means XY is divided in 2 parts in the ratio 5:8. So this is 5 and this is remaining is 3. 5th part out of 8, third part out of 8. This is the way XY is divided in the ratio 5:3. Now like this might be for 2 marks. Understand children? Take out a class work and see how it is done. Practice it 100% for your exams. Now, construction on tangents, very very important. Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. Everyone can draw this. One more question. From a point P, from a point P, 8 centimeters, 8 centimeters away from the center. This is important. Of the circle, draw 2 tangents to the tangent. Draw 2 tangents to the circle. Now see rough diagram. Draw a circle of radius. Anybody can draw one circle of radius 3 centimeters. So from here to here it is 3 centimeters. Okay, from a point P, 8 centimeters away from the center. So from here 8 centimeters. Already 3 are there. Extend it to another 5 and draw this point. Now from this P, how to draw this external, this tangents. Recollect children, very simple. First we will draw one circle of radius 3 centimeters. Then extend it to the point P. This total is 8 centimeters. Total is 8 from center. Mark the midpoint of this OP. Draw one circle with this as the radius. Call this as C1 and C2. C2 cuts C1 at this point, put a dot, join this, mark this as A and this as B. Therefore, AP, BP are the two tangents. Measure and see, you will get AP is equal to BP. Find out and write down the measurements. So this is very simple problem which will be for 3 marks. Please note it down. Read whatever sum is given, read it according to the diagram, draw the rough diagram, and then go ahead with the fair diagram. Next one. Next most likely question, every year, many times it is asked. Little a bit of properties you need in this, what you have learned in 8th and 9th. Draw a pair of tangents to a circle as usual. To the circle of radius 5 centimeters. So again, 1 mark in a pocket, which are inclined to each other. This is important. Which are inclined to each other. What is the meaning of this statement? Means the tangents make some angle with each other. Incline each other at angle of, means they are making an angle of 60 degrees. What is the meaning of this? One circle, tangent, external point P. From here, 2 tangents are passing. Point of tangency A and B. These 2 tangents are inclined to each other at 60 degrees. This much is given in the problem. How to draw the 2 tangents now? When you join this, here you need a bit of properties to be applied. Now this is 90 degrees, everyone knows, radius and tangent make an angle of 90. Now, see children, calculation, A, O, B, P is a quadrilateral and angle A plus angle O plus angle B plus angle C should be equal to 360 degrees. Now angle A is given as 90, angle O we don't know, B is given as 90, then this is 60, 90, 90, 180, 180 and 60, 140, 180 and 60, 240. So minus from 360, see how much you are getting, 120 degrees. So from here to here, this is 120 degrees. Now you got it very clearly. How to start? First, draw a circle, mark this point OB, radius like this, with the protractor, start from C where is 0 degrees, 0, 10, 20, 30, up to 120. So mark it, remove the protractor, join this and let it touch here. So let this be A and let this be B. Everything you got. Now this is 120. Now keep the scale here, we are plus. Draw one line, perpendicular line here with AB as center, draw one semicircle and mark the 2 points. So keep the compass here, draw an arc, keep it here, cut an arc, straight, you join it. Same thing here. Because first you draw one semicircle, mark any 2 points on that, keep it here, draw an arc, keep it here, cut an arc. This is the line, 90 degrees. Now produce it. That will meet at the point P. Take a protractor, keep it like this and see that you will get as 60 degrees. So this is the way AP and BP are the 2 tangents. AP and are the 2 tangents. So very simple theorem. Be very careful here. Suppose they give this as, this is already 90, 90 is 180, remaining is 180. Suppose they give us 40. So 180 minus 40. So what is this answer? 140. So here it will be 140. Keep this in your mind. So this is about the construction. I finished about the theorem, the construction.